The next 4 charts demonstrate the features of price stalls and congestions at fib levels. Reversals aren't always quick. They don't always resemble the shapes like the letters V, M, N, or W. Instead, they sometimes look more like the letters U, L, or J. When price enters prolonged sideways movement, this indicates indecision. Price stalls and congestions at fib levels can be used as further confirmation that those fib levels can present support and resistance in the future. Flat movement may also occur before a breakout or continuation of price above or below a resistance and support level. On this Procter & Gamble stock chart, around May, price begins to flatten and congest prior to a major reversal. These ideas also apply to other charts. For example, not just individual stock charts, this financial sector ETF demonstrates a failed flat head and shoulders where there is plenty of congestion around the shoulders on the 0.236 fib level, and then when there is the breakout, there is still a minor stalling period. Back to an individual stock chart showing stalling and congestion on a downtrend and an uptrend. Also interesting here, there is a sharp but very small reversal, which is still a valid swing point to run the trend line through. And like in most cases, prior to a gap, there is stalling and congestion. Here is another case of congesting and stalling price, except it is prior to the major acceleration of the established uptrend. Then these other 3 highlighted areas demonstrate flatter reversal areas rather than single sharp swing points, closer to something like this downswing. It doesn't matter if price is before or after a confirmation triangle. The point of these charts is to demonstrate price sometimes stalls at fib levels prior to reversing or breaking past support or resistance, instead of just sharply and quickly reversing direction. These features commonly appear due to indecision before or after major catalyst events such as earnings reports or economic announcements. When there is no major news event, it may also happen when price is approaching new all-time highs or new all-time lows, and the market is not sure if price will continue on its current direction.